So why declutter, you ask? Hi you all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a closet declutter, and I'm going to tell you all why it may be time for you to also declutter. I'm going to give tips, and then I'll probably insert some clips of me literally cleaning out the closet. And most of the clothes you'll see will be on my Poshmark, McCarty, or Depop. So check out my closet, and I'll leave links below. And even if you don't have one, you can sign up and also get a discount off. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get into the video. So why declutter, you ask? Simply because you've grown out of your clothes from style to size. It will cut down on you saying, I don't have anything to wear. When you have a lot of clothes, it makes it look like you have a lot of options, when actually you only wear certain items. So when you narrow it down, then you know exactly what you have. Clutter can even cause bad energy in your space without you knowing it, from not being motivated to not being inspired. So tips I have for you for cleaning out your closet is basically ask yourself, does the item bring you joy? When you put it on, do you feel confident and happy? Consider the last time you worn it. If you haven't worn it in the last 6 months, most likely you're not going to wear it. Throw it out. If the item has stains or a missing button and you keep on saying, oh, I'm going to fix it, oh, I'm going to get that stain out, and you still have it, get rid of it. So when making a decision of what you're going to keep and throw away, literally make 3 piles. Have a keep pile, maybe pile, and a throwaway pile. And that way to make it easier to see what you're keeping and what you're going to give away. Also, feel free to start with whatever section of your closet you want to. So for me, I'm starting with my closet because I feel like that's where I have most of my items. But you can start with your shoes, your dresser,